I don't believe what I found. I had no idea this was here. I'm hoping I didn't already give it away in the title or the thumbnail. But you'll know where we're at by the end of the video, obviously. I'm going to show you. I'm hoping, and two, being in this big Class A motorhome, you know, during tourist season and traffic and congestion, it can be hard getting this, navigating this thing through that, all that. I'm hoping because it's the off season that we can just pull right on down there. Parking won't be an issue. Okay, I gotta turn here somewhere. This, where we're going, is just my favorite, just absolutely my favorite type of stop. And can I give a clue now? Yeah, it's abandoned railroad related. But wait till you see where it goes. All right, enough of that. We'll get this thing parked. We'll get the electric bike out. It's a few miles. I've been better at keeping the electric bike fully charged. So, keys on. This is going to be great. It's over through those hills over there. Those solid rock hills. Any guesses yet? Alright, let me put this thing on the bike. I'll put it on, my holder on right here. We'll put it right in there. You'll never guess where this comes out at. It's supposed to be 5 tunnels. Although I read tunnel number 3 might be closed because it's become unstable. Hopefully there's a workaround. You see where this comes out at. It's pretty cool. I hope if it's closed we can get around it. We'll see. Well, dang it. It's true. Tunnel number 3, no entry allowed. I think there's funding. You know, I think they're working on getting this stabilized. I don't know if you noticed in tunnel number 2, there's some kind of spray on stuff to seal and kind of cement the roof. Tunnel number 1 looks clean and intact just as it was. And notice how big and oversized these tunnels are, because they held big equipment for a construction project through these tunnels. It doesn't look look how rugged and tough this terrain is. There's no way around this. I guess we'll head back. I'm disappointed. I am. I went through extra trouble just for myself because I just wanted to go through all the tunnels, except for that third one. I drove the RV all around, went through security. There's a security line there. All vehicles got to go through. They checked. They wanted to go around, check all my compartments. A guy came inside and just took a quick look around. And we were okay. Found a place to finally park. It wasn't too bad. Like I say, it's the off season. Still in a big Class A. We ride way up this trail, and here's the closest. Here, okay. This is about the closest we are gonna get to Tunnel 5. can see over that building over there in the distance. I get to the end of this trail and the gate is closed and locked. The gate is closed and locked, so that's all that we get to see. But wait, here, look at this tiny little cactus. I think there's an outlook over there. Maybe we can get a good view of Tunnel 4. I think it's right above Tunnel 5, so you can see the cutout. You wouldn't see the entrances, but it might be a nice view of Tunnel 4. I might do that, but I sure hope to get Tunnel 3 repaired. Come back on a nice, warm, sunny day and ride the whole trail. That would be nice. I'll probably be back through this way again someday. So we came up to this overlook, and it's on top of the hill that Tunnel 5 goes underneath. So we're on top of Tunnel 5, and there's Tunnel 4, and I know it's dark and it's just a little speck out there that actually the other side of Tunnel 3. So we were just on the other side of that. If we could have came through Tunnel 3, then 4, then underneath here to 5, that would have been just a great ride. I know when I'm out this way again, maybe next season, I'll be looking for an update on that Tunnel 3. Maybe it'll be a warmer day. Nice clear blue sky, sun shining, ride through all 5 tunnels. That would be nice. And of course, Lake Mead. Like I say, we're on top of Tunnel 5, and that's where Tunnel 5 goes out, and I was sitting over there on the bike. I did ride down here, and that gate was closed and locked, so you couldn't come in. So I was stuck there. I went back up there and complained about it a little bit, and went back on down over the hill to where the bounder was in Bella. We're gonna call it a day. Go down and see Bella. If you want, stick around the video, go on it for a bit here. I'm gonna throw the camera on here, ride the rest of the way down the trail. There's a couple nice cutouts where the track ran. Some of this trail's been, some of this original railroad bed has been diverted. Here it comes straight out of that tunnel. They put this facility here for maintenance equipment and stuff, so they altered the trail somewhat, and some of it not. Some of it is very, they must have just inched through getting the trains and the equipment the rest of the way out here. Snap this on. Okay, ready? How I usually find things like this is, anytime I'm traveling to a new area, I'll of course bring up Google Maps. It's what I use to get there to begin with. But I can zoom in and little labels come up of various things in the area. And I was looking at Las Vegas, and not so much Las Vegas, but just the area, things around it. And I seen Boulder City was near the Hoover Dam, and I started zooming in on that area, and I found all kind of trailheads, the various hiking trails. So there's a lot of hiking in the area, hiking, biking, and obviously boating and stuff in Lake Mead, canoeing, kayaking trips, helicopter tours. There's just a ton to do here. So it's how I found a label came up for this railroad trail, and I thought, fantastic. Um, so there's so much to do, and even Boulder City, I mean, that's the closest, town. It's probably whatever its origins are. Either way, played a huge part on workers, coming to work on the dam, materials being brought in, via the train and such. So there's a lot of Boulder is rich in history. So if you haven't been in the Hoover Dam area before, or you ever intend on visiting it, do a little bit of research and look at some of that stuff. And it's all easy to find on. I think it's easier to find looking at Google Maps rather than just looking at various listings and things to do, just Googling them. The map really shows you just so much in the area. It's a very useful tool for me. Here we're coming up towards the end of the trail. It's getting ready to make a big loop around where the unloading area would have gone on, and then we'll be coming up and seeing Bella in the Bounder. We're gonna take this little shortcut path down over here, and we'll be done with this trail. I can't tell. Does Bella see me? I think I see the white on her neck. Yeah, Bella sees me. That's it. We'll call it a day. I could go get a part for the RV. Yeah. Water at the sink and the shower, everything's not running very well. I think the pump's going bad. So there's a RV parts store in Boulder City, which is just down the road a couple miles. We'll get our part, get on with the less fun things. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.